Let's service this Sienna. Check cabin and air filters. Set the rack. Fill wiper fluid. Up she goes. Loosen the wheels. Drop the rear wheels. Check rear brakes. Rotate front tires to rear. Check front brakes. Tighten the wheels. Last one. Set tire pressure. Up she goes again. Loosen and remove drain plug. Drain old oil filter. Remove old filter. Install new filter. Tighten drain plug and all filter torque to spec. Lower the vehicle. Torque the wheels to spec. Fill her up. Install cap. Close the hood. Reset maintenance light service all done. Thanks for watching.